A medieval fortress, yacht racing game, urban deathmatch, cursed graveyard, tall ship, tower defense, starfight.
The National Weather Service in Roblox here has issued a ChickenNado warning for Televille County in northwestern Roblox here, Downtown County in southeastern Roblox here, and Neighborhood County in central Roblox here. At 11:25 p.m. Roblox Billy Bob time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe telestorm capable of producing a ChickenNado. This dangerous storm was located near Downtown County, or 2,000 steps north of the Roblox and Highway 25, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, NEF-1 satellites was reported by train spotters at 3:10 p.m. Roblox Billy Bob time. This storm has a history of producing sharknadoes and trollnadoes as well. Locations impacted include Televille, Neighborhood, Downtown Roblox here. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Be anything, build anything.